Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimal essentials: VS Code, live server, and a project folder. Open the folder in VS Code so the editor maps files and settings. Create index, HTML, and type. Then press Tab to inject an HTML5 boilerplate. This saves time and ensures correct doc type and meta tags. Once done, save the file and confirm the editor shows the file in Explorer. This first step gets you a valid starting point and enables instant preview tools. Now you build the page. Add semantic HTML like header, main, and footer so structure and accessibility are clear. Link a style sheet with a relative path and add a script tag using defer to avoid blocking rendering. Once linked, start live server to serve the file locally and open the browser automatically. Make sure to open DevTools F12 so you can watch layout, console errors, and network requests. This helps you diagnose missing files or bad paths early in development. Finish by validating links and assets, then tidy markup with formatters and emit abbreviations to keep code consistent. When you test, use hard refresh Ctrl+Shift+R to avoid stale CSS or scripts. If something goes wrong, like live server not starting, check the status bar port. Ensure no other process uses that port, and inspect workspace settings. JSON for overrides. Restarting VS Code often clears transient extension errors. These final checks prevent subtle bugs and keep your HTML workflow smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.